So if that's you, you're gonna get snagged all the time with that fish finder rig. It's gonna be challenging if you can't find a soft sandy spot. This is a great option when you're trying to surf fish, but you know there's some obstructions in the way. This is just gonna bounce along the bottom. You can change whatever pyramid sinker you want weight-wise here. And the worst thing that's gonna happen is you're gonna get caught here, your weight's gonna knock around a little bit, and you're just gonna tug it free. And most of the time it comes on through. If not, you know, you're gonna lose a weight, but you're not gonna lose the fish. All right, so to cast, you know, we're using a bigger rod. We got a big butt here. What we're trying to do is get this bait out as far as you can without actually losing it, right? And that's challenging. We've got a 4-ounce sinker here, nice bit of cut bait and a thread fit here. We're going for snook. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to get it launched as far as I can without losing the bait. We want to get a big arching motion. It's going to be over our shoulder. It's going to be slowly up and over. It's not going to be a whip. It's not going to be a side. It's going to be over. I'm going to show you real quick. It's over our shoulder, our back. Don't fail. All right, we're going to talk about drag real quick, and this is super important. When we're reeling in the fish and things like that, we're going to keep it kind of midway there. But when we're keeping our rods out here, with the lines in the water, with the bait in the water, what we want to do is keep that drag to the lightest possible if we're going for these bigger fish. This is on this cut bait, these cut baits, right? So we want that drag to be nice and loose so that when they take it, they can go and run with it. If we get a 4 or 5 foot shark on here, we want to let him run with it, and we're going to set the hook after he